from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. IP65 rated. You're able to hang this up and shine down your light. Opening up the product, nicely packaged. Very well protected. Simply just take everything out of the box. You have your solar array system, your hardware kits, your remote control, your instructions, and your piping. Supply your own AAA batteries placed into your remote control and cover up. The remote control has a red button, an off and on, 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and the motion detection PIR sensor button. A 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8 hour timer, and that's it. You may follow along on the instructions. If you want an optional pole to hang up, put it on a fence, put anywhere imaginable. We're going to show you how this unit operates. You're given an open-end wrench. You can simply loosen up your bolts. This is your solar panel, 6 volts. If you turn it upside down, you want to test your unit out to see if it works the first time, hit the on and off button. You have an on and off switch that lights up and off. We're going to shut the unit off and allow it to register the sun for a few days. If you're hanging up on a pole, 2-inch pole or more, you put this bracket on with the supplied bolts, nuts, and washers. We're going to hang us up on the actual pole itself that we're not going to use this piece, but we're going to put lag bolts on and place up correctly like so. And then slide this end into the pole over here and lock down. So let's go place this up outside, gather sun, and wait for the evening hour. Find the location you want to put your pole and correctly mount up and lock down. With the unit capturing the sun, this would charge. Simply climb up on the pole, slide on, and use the supplied tool to lock down. When correctly hooked up and the power switch is on, collecting the sun, we're going to turn the unit on in the evening hours. So if you're looking for a street light to light up your courtyard, your property, front, back, wherever you need to project light shining down, 25 feet up in the air, 2,200 square feet, with the remote control to set things up to your liking. We're going to show you what this is all about and what it looks like. I'm going to turn the light on, bring it down to 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. We then have the option for a PIR sensor. On the remote control, you have the off and the on and the percentage of light and the sensor and the hours of the time. I hope you enjoy your light if this is what you were looking for in a solar. I hope you enjoy your light if this is what you were looking for in a solar street light. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.